Namaste students, Khushra Vidya. I, Jvwu and Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the classroom libraries. The classroom libraries is a typically the resource that supports children's daily independent readings of self-selected books. That means their personal, recreational, or reading interest. Further, in a classroom library, it offers a setting of a student to be quietly read or allowed. Okay, so it depends upon the like discussions with peer group or the teachers. So okay, so however, when organizing a classroom library, there is nothing right or wrong to organize in a library, like the idea of simply how to choose or organize. Okay, that is when you start a library, that is when you have to get started with the library. Mark the books. It is highly suggested that labeling of the book are as coming up with the within the library used as stamp, or put like you can add their names, write the names on the cover of every book, or you might use like writing on the side of the books across the pages, or where the parent can easily see or spot the book on the that need to be written on the class to the classroom, or deciding on the sorting system, like where many people shorts like topic themes, or any other levels guides or reader level. So in many classroom this can be this technique can be implemented. So keeping a check of like this categories of books like animals, bibliography, or transportations, travels, tour, or fairy tales, or having a joke or poetry, mysteries, science, quick reads. So many different categories can be decided, in which this category of racks the books can be kept. So the catalogs of the books can be available, should be available there. So the library thinks what are the things available in the library, so that the student can get access and organized and labeled books, so that it can be easy available. And each of the rack, there can be a like labeled book with color stickers, which makes the children's very attractive for the learning, or visiting of the libraries with certain cartoons or something which make the child much more attractive, having certain pictures, so that the reading attractions towards the children's will be much more as compared to the avoiding it. Okay, so here creating a label on the like deciding to have a label on the particular books and proper naming and placing. Okay, so here the classroom libraries should have a physical and virtual, that is plays an important role in providing access to the books and promoting literacy. So they have the potential to increase student motivations, engagements, and achievements, and help students becoming critical thinkers, analytical readers, and informed civilized. Okay, so then they can able to learn the languages of English educators, or they have the potentials, develop the potentials to learn many things in a classroom situations. So classroom library here, for a reason we can support this like student access to the classroom libraries, which offers a wide range of materials to appeal or support the need of the student with different interests and abilities, providing access to the opportunities for the students, teachers, and the school libraries to collaborate on the selection and able to the student to choose the reading of their own choice. Okay, so here the so here even the National Council of Teachers Education having the encouragements for developing the classroom libraries, motivating the children for encouraging the volunteer and recreation of readings, helping young people to develop an extensive array of literacy and strategies and skills. So here provides an access to the wide range of reading materials, reflecting abilities and increasing the interest. So where the child can get a choice, providing a choice and self-selecting reading material for self-engagement. Okay? So facilitating the opportunity to validate and promote the acceptance of the inclusions and diverse students identified and experience. Okay? So creating an opportunity to the cultivate an information. So here, recognition of is important for rich and diverse classroom libraries where it offers the student access to the wide range of extensive uh, materials available with them. Okay, increasing the literacy or assisting the administrative support or support from the parents or the community. Okay, so what is the importance of this library actually? Libraries are important corners of the healthy community. So the libraries give people the opportunity to find their jobs, explore medical research or new ideas, or get, in case of the students who are at the mm, class 12 level, they get explore idea where they have to go for their next career and what kind of careers they can start, and they get exposure to the outer environment. So okay, to make a classroom library good, one should support from inside and outside of school, which help in learning and selecting an appropriate reading material, okay, which provides the students to be independent as well as serve as a place to talk and discuss the books. So how to create an effective classroom library? So what are the main functions of the library? That is, here the main functions of the library is, in addition to providing the material, library also provides a service of the librarian who are expert in finding and organizing the things. Okay, so the libraries often provide wide area for studying and often gives a common area to facilitate the group study and collaboration. So the objective of having a library is to provide material and resources. Okay, these sources can serve as a in offering place of the people information to gather together and programs that help to create library and awareness and consciousness. And here the students are benefited. Uh, the mostly the school libraries are funded by developing student developed in funding or learners or teaching students. So so here in management of the school library can be like creating a whole school culture of valuing the reading and library as a one, and having a librarian or staff members so that it can be monitored regularly and allocating of the budget with the library. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session. Namaste.